Okay, so hello.
Hello,
Good evening. What's your name?
my name is Mạnh Chinh.
Okay, Mạnh Chinh. So how old are you?
Um, I'm 30 years.
You mean 13 years old, right? 13 years old. Okay, so Mạnh Chinh, what's your favorite food?
Pizza
Pizza and
and mm,
oh,
hamburger,
hamburger. Okay, pizza and hamburger. Okay, so Mạnh Chinh, do you play any sports?
volleyball and football.
Volleyball and football, very cool. Okay, so how often do you play volleyball and football? Sometimes or always? How often do you play football or volleyball? Once a week, twice a week, or three times a week?
Um, six.
Six times a week? Six times a week? Really? Wow, very impressive. Okay, so yes, I'll share my screen and I need you to say these sentences for me, okay? And Mạnh, are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes, let's go.
Peter go to a homework store and bought a powerful mosquito spray. He returned home and sprayed the chemical everywhere. Unfortunately, he raised the chemical. He cooked and cooked and cooked. Everywhere the mosquito don't die. Peter is extremely upset. He saw his friend Tony. Tony said, in order to kill mosquito, you must eat garlic. When the mosquito bite you, they will be killed by the garlic. Peter Peter bite it you big of garlic at the store. He is proud of the garlic. Then he then he go to sleep during the night. Thousands of mosquitoes by him, but they all die because of the garlic. When Peter wake wake up, the there are thousands of dead mosquitoes on bed. Peter say Tony is green green green.
Okay, yes. Thanks, Mạnh. So we come to a me story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, listen, okay? So Peter goes to a hardware store and buys a powerful mosquito spray.
Ooh.
Okay, so does Peter go to a supermarket?
No.
No. Does Peter go to a jungle?
No.
No. Does he go to a mountain?
No.
No. Does Peter go to a hardware store?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And does Peter buys a powerful butterfly spray?
No.
No. Does he buy a powerful cat spray?
No.
No. So does he buy a powerful mosquito spray?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And what does he buy at the store?
Mosquitoes. Right.
Yes, Miguel spray. Okay. And then does he returns home and spray the chemical on the door?
No.
No. Then he spray the chemical on the window?
No.
No. So he spray the chemical everywhere.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. So unfortunately, who breathes the chemical?
Uh, mosquito.
Really? Because breathes the chemical?
Um.
So does Tony breathe the chemical?
No.
No. Does Tina breathe the chemical?
Yes.
Tina breathes the chemical?
No.
Breathes the chemical. Okay, so who breathes the chemical? So does Peter breathe the chemical?
Yes.
Yes, it's Peter. Okay. And then what happened to Peter? Does he smile? Does Peter smile when he breathes the chemical? Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. So when Peter breathes the chemical, does he die?
No.
No. So does he coughs and coughs and coughs?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And is Peter extremely hungry? Is Peter extremely hungry?
Yes.
Hungry? No, okay. So is Peter extremely happy?
No.
No. So he's extremely sad?
No.
No, so he's extremely upset.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And does he call his father Tony?
No.
No. Does he call his girlfriend Tony?
No.
No. So he call his friend Tony.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And does Tony say, in order to kill mosquitoes, you must eat apple?
No.
No. So does Tony say, you must eat the mosquitoes?
No.
No. So does Tony say, you must eat garlic?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And in order to kill mosquito, what does Peter have to eat?
You must not eat garlic.
You must not eat? What must Peter have to eat?
Eat garlic.
Garlic, right? Okay. Okay. And then does he buy 1 pound of garlic?
No.
No. Does he buy 4 pounds of garlic?
No.
No. So he buy 49 pounds of garlic?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And so during the night, does one mosquito bite him?
No.
No. So do 10 mosquitoes bite him?
No.
No. So do 1,000 mosquitoes bite him?
Yes.
1,000?
1,000.
No.
No.
So do thousands of mosquitoes bite him?
Yes.
Yes, it's thousands, right? Okay. And when Peter wakes up, does Peter say, good morning?
No.
No. So does Peter say, Mạnh Chinh is a genius?
No.
No. So does Peter say, Tony is a crazy man?
No.
No. So does he say, Tony is a genius?
No.
Really? Does Peter say, Tony is a genius?
Yes.
Yes, right, okay. And yes, Mạnh Chinh, this is the end of the test, okay? You did a great job. Congratulations. Goodbye. See you again.